Since 1854, for 165 years, winter after winter after winter, summer after summer after summer, starting before sunrise and ending well after sunset, they make windows. Since 1854, 7 years before the start of the Civil War and for generations after, the women and men of Mathews Brothers have forged their unique brand of Maine Made windows, offering performance, aesthetics, and affordability, all backed by their trademarked WOW customer service. Now, doing anything for 165 years, in and of itself, is pretty remarkable. But to truly understand the magnitude of this 165-year achievement, consider this. In an ideal world, a successful manufacturing facility is typically located here. Ideally, that location would be serviced by major highways that run north, south, east, and west, and if you're lucky, other highways that run northwest to southeast and northeast to southwest. When your business starts, you first service customers close to you. Then, as you grow, you expand your service area to include customers an hour away, then 2, then 4, gaining customers within ever-growing concentric circles until your customer base populates the geography in all directions of the compass. Now, this ideal manufacturing scenario works very well in locations like Nashville, Tennessee. However, if you take this ideal manufacturing scenario and move it to the coast of Maine, it falls apart quickly. Limited access to major highways. Half of your marketing area is under the Atlantic Ocean. Half of what remains is in Canada, and what's left over is under snow and ice for a good 8 to 10 weeks a year. Despite these obstacles, Mathews Brothers has not only survived for 165 years, but they have grown. You might ask, how is this possible? The components are the same, the welders and the cleaners and the cutters are the same, the hardware is the same. You might then ask, what makes Mathews Brothers different? I'll tell you in one word: people. People who care about their company, their customers, and the products they put out the door. It's Twyla and Zach. It's Annie and Julie. It's Lester and Charlene and Angela and Randy and Faith and John and Lucy and Beverly. It's generations upon generations upon generations of Mikes and Larrys and Steves and Billies and Gilberts, who every day bring their skills, their minds, and their hearts to their task of exceeding customer expectations, providing consistently superior customer service, and making wicked awesome windows and doors. For 165 years. 165 remarkable years.